Today we're looking at the 3 hottest meme coins and how to buy them. These aren't the easy meme coins to buy like Dogecoin. These are the hidden gems that some of you may be having some issues on. I don't know how to buy this coin. And today we're going to look at the 3 hottest meme coins. Time to discover crypto. All right, the first meme coin we're going to look at is near and dear to my heart. And a lot of people are asking me, how do I buy this thing? And you can see it's not even a top 10 meme coin, everybody. I'm talking about Snek. It's Snek. And I highlighted it already, but people still want to know how to buy it. So if you want to see Snek right here, Snek Coin ADA, if you want to find their official X account here, and the easiest way to buy it is with a Cardano wallet. And the Cardano wallet we're going to look at today is the Nami wallet, N-A-M-I. You can see it at Nami wallet right here. And they have a webpage, namiwallet.io. You go to namiwallet.io, you can download it for Brave, Chrome, or Edge. And after you download your Chrome extension there, or whatever browser you may be using, load it up with some Cardano. You're going to get your address, you're going to type in receive, and send out some Cardano from, say, your Coinbase, your crypto.com exchange. And so after you have your Nami wallet and it's funded, you go to MinSwap and you go app.minswap.org. So you see my Nami wallet extension right here, and I've loaded it with hundreds of ADA here, and we're going to deploy this ADA into Snek on MinSwap. The reason it says Wall Street Bets, I got an ADA handle, but that's a different video for a different day. So up here, you're going to see trade. Click on trade, and then you're going to select your token and type in Snek. Now, a newer coin, you're going to want to, make sure you have the right contract address. We're not looking at micro memes like that, so we don't have to worry about it. It is checkmarked on MinSwap here. And we're going to go ahead and put, how much should I put in? We got to spend at least 250 ADA, everybody. All right, so that's the number we're going to go with, 250. And then that's going to give me 110,000 Snek. And then we go ahead and just hit swap. And it's that easy. You'll have to confirm it and sign it, and you're good to go. This Cardano, it'll take a little bit of time, and then you wait for your confirmation, and boom, you're good to go. So now I'm in the Snek ecosystem. You see right there, transaction successful. But let me give you my Snek price prediction. Now, I talked about this very, very early, folks. I told a lot of people to take profit. I wish I would have told you to buy here. But looking at this chart, I can't help but feel, a little bit of a bull flag pennant forming, and it seems like it's wanting to find not only a bottom, but it looks like it's potentially even finding some higher lows. Now, this is a meme coin, and this coin can go down, could tank in value. But if you look at the last 1 month, I feel okay saying, hey, I don't mind buying Snek at these levels. We jumped in before the 400% gain. And so, we rode these profits. And if you missed that wave and you felt like you're on the sidelines and you couldn't jump in, I am giving you permission to jump in the snake pit today. I'm sorry, Snack Pit. All right, let's go to meme coin number 2, everybody, and that is Bonk. Bonk is one of the larger meme coins here. You can see, I think it's coming in. Number 3 is still below Doge, still below Sheeb, but the Solana ecosystem is still hot, and I think there is room to grow. You can see the market cap, 860 billion. There's not much room to the upside, but you got to remember, Doge has almost a $12 billion upside here. That would be a 15x for Bonk to hit $11 billion. I don't know if it'll go that high, but I definitely think it's going to cross into the billions this bull run, so I do think there are some multiples. But to get some Bonk, we're going to need a Solana wallet, and I'm choosing the Phantom wallet. You can see it at Phantom, has the yellow check mark. It'll take you to their website, phantom.app. And you can just go ahead and download your wallet by clicking that, or you can get your Chrome extension by clicking on this. And you want to make sure you have the right one. 2 million users. There are some fake Phantoms, so if you're not, you're typing it into Google, you're not using X, could find a malicious link, and be careful. Now you have your Phantom wallet. Load it up with Solana from your favorite exchange. Where do you go now? Well, we're going to go ahead and choose Radium. I have the Bonk trading pair in Solana. We're going to swap Solana into Bonk. Now, I've been taking Bonk profits, everybody, so let's look at the Bonk price. Is this a good time to come in? Well, if you look at the all-time chart, well, we're certainly lower from way up here, but we're certainly considerably higher from those levels. If we go to the 90-day chart, it gives us a little bit of a run-up of what to expect and what we can see. And again, I'm almost seeing a little bit of some higher lows slightly being formed right here. Give me a little bit of a bullish narrative. I do think we could dip down to the amount of zeros and the 1 right here. You can see wants to use this as support. So if you want to jump in right now, they're memes, okay? So I'm not going to blame you. Sometimes you got to have that FOMO. And on the 30-day chart, it looks like we are getting a little bit of consolidation. It doesn't look like too much of a downside here, but this is almost a 40% correction if you were to jump in at these levels. So I wouldn't mind, waiting a bit. But that being said, I feel comfortable enough putting in a little bit of Solana here. So we're going to go ahead and just add 1 Solana. That's about $100. That gives me 6.7 million, but I want to keep it nice and even. So we're just going to add some zeros here. We're going to add 3 zeros. And so to do that, we're going to go ahead and swap it out and then hit flip. And you just go ahead and hit the swap button, and you got to confirm this as well. Hit confirm, you see how cheap it is, a very, very small fraction of Solana to confirm this trade here. Now, I don't hate swapping via the app right here. That also works as well. I just want to show a little love to Radium. It's an exchange I've been using for years. And after we type in 6 million, we got to go ahead and swap it back here. And it's probably going to change it a little bit. Yeah, 5. But we're going to go ahead and hit the button here, confirm, and we are good to go. We've confirmed our transaction. It took a very, very, very small fraction of Solana to do this trade here, and it is already confirmed. I'm kind of blocking it here, but look at that. Swap is now confirmed. So very, very fast. We do like Solana as far as transactions go. So now we have Bonk. Now we have Nami, and there's one more meme coin we have yet to buy, and it might actually be the hardest to buy, and it also has under $100 million market cap here, so I definitely see some upside. Remember, Doge is a $11 billion market cap. That means Coq Inu is the coin we're talking about here, would do over 100x if it reaches that market cap there. So yeah, we're talking about Coq Inu. Am I saying that name right? Let me know if I'm mispronouncing it down in the comments below. Some say it's Coq Inu. I'm gonna go ahead and say Coq Inu. So how do you buy Coq Inu? All right, first thing we want to do is find their official account here. You can tell it's followed, by people that I respect, people that I follow. And then this gives us the correct links, everybody. And we're going to be using a MetaMask to transact with this. First thing you want to do is load up your MetaMask with Avalanche. Now, this one is where it gets a little bit more difficult, everybody. Before, we were just sending Cardano to Nami. We were just sending Solana to Salami. No, wait a minute, to the Phantom app. But with Avalanche, we're going to have to switch chains. This is a thing you have to do in Ethereum, and we're going to switch to the Avalanche C chain. Now, I'm going to use Coinbase here. We're going to pull up Coinbase on the desktop app. And you can see right here, I had about 10 Avalanche. It comes in a little bit lower from a transaction fee when I moved it around, and I have $350 right under 10. So the way you are going to send this, you're going to send it to a wallet. So you go ahead and copy your address from MetaMask here. And after you copy your address, you'll type it in here, and it'll hide it at first, but it is a Avalanche address here. You can see it. So now we're going to get ready to send over Avalanche here. Okay, so we open up Coinbase here, and then you're going to go ahead and copy your address from MetaMask. You have that copied, and then you're going to send it to that address. Now, I'm going to switch it over to Avalanche. We're going to type in 1 here. We're going to type in the address, and you'll see right there, Avalanche address. That lets you know it is using the Avalanche C chain. I'm actually just going to send it all. Let's go ahead and get some real exposure here. I'm going to go ahead and hit send, and we are good to go. I approved on my phone, and we are good to go. Now, we're going to take this, and we're going to go ahead and deploy it. But while we're waiting for that to hit, let's go ahead and look at the price action here. It is down 6%. Now, when you look at the max, I'm going to go ahead and shrink and move again. Looks like a little bit more of a consolidation. In fact, I can almost see a little bit of a trend line forming, and I like trend lines, everybody. It's a newer coin. It's only about 5 weeks old, so 3 months doesn't even go back that far enough there. It's only about 5 weeks old. So we click on the 3 month because we're right above 1 month here. So on the 3 month, I'm not hating this area right now. So we're going to go ahead and see if it's in our account now. And you can see it right here, 10 Avalanche has hit. And what you don't want to do, and even though it probably would work, you never want to just go by typing. I mean, it sure looks good here. When I don't see a check mark, I get a little bit worried here. So we're going to make sure we have the right address by clicking the contract address on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. It will work for both. And then when we're looking for a coin, we can actually type in the contract address, and it will find it by that. Make sure, guarantee that we have the right one here. And I think we just deploy it all, everybody. We're going to go ahead and drop this, and that's a lot of commas. Looks like around a little bit above $250 million Coq Inu. And I had about 10.05. You can see here the fee is 0.003, so we're able to afford this lickety split. And this should happen pretty quickly as well. And now we are in the Coq universe. Now, unfortunately, I saw this coin early, didn't pull the trigger, and I'm not buying right here. I'm buying right here. It doesn't feel too bad. It's kind of like buying the wick right here. I'd felt pretty good if I bought right then, so let me just feel good about it now. We're in Snek. We're in Bonk, and now we're in Coq Inu. And so these are the 3 hottest meme coins right now. I do think there's going to be other meme plays that might outperform, but they're going to be a lot riskier. They're going to be further down this list, and they're going to have a much higher odds of going to 0. These 3 coins I have a pretty good feeling about as far as, being protected, relatively safe as far as meme coins go. I do think Doge is the safest meme coin buy right now. A buy at Doge at 8 cents feels like FUD. I mean, it feels like, this is an easy 3x. I'd be very, very surprised if Doge can't hit a quarter, sometime in 2024. I think quarter is, pretty attainable. A lot of people have dollar predictions for Dogecoin. That would give you a 12x, but I think these have potential for much higher than a 12x. 100x, probably unlikely, but 12x definitely seems doable. So I hope this helps you get into the meme ecosystem. These are the 3 hot ones that I think. Let me know down in the comments, what meme token did I miss? What chain is it on? And what's that sleeping giant that's about to melt Face's next bull run? I'm DZ. See you in your meme bags at the top.